Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh man, you see that now? See that? Look at this. Hello.
What's good?
Mosquito in your brown phone.
I don't know if it's a mosquito.
Well, let's get a mask.
Sure. What's up, guys? Me and Junior take a walk.
Yeah, how long we do this?
Go across the road there over town center. I know a place dark, but besides, we'll just record it.
Yeah, can.
It's a short little stroll. Look how we dark.
Can what name? Chinese food. So we take a stroll inside.
You don't even know who or how we place dark.
No, you obvious. Remember, I'm the handsome one.
Say, boy kicked me a while ago.
Kick her, yes.
He kicked me hard. Kick me, tell him, say, remember, say, me job there? Say, remember, say, him pan scratches no long. So, he decided, say, my skin out. Show me, say, him pan scratches.
Why?
I want all in there. One hole in there about it all.
Oh, me a skin out. Lie, she a tell by me.
Guys,
Big man let me a skin out. What that?
wouldn't you tell him to go visit the barber shop?
Yeah, man, want to do that.
Man come like him and him barber in a malice.
Me a rough it out, brother. I want to know. You know the struggle, yeah? You see me? Out there, I'll collect a food.
Yo, a long time we don't walk, so come here sweat. I'ma just be here. Boy.
Like she tell was just be
Me just be here, look up. I'm powder in my chest.
Powder there, so means you just be
Yes.
It don't mean nothing.
Yo, you can't put powder on dirty body. It'll go crackle up like milk.
Yeah, so, don't know, peeps. So I'll give our evening stroll, isn't it? And when we pass back, we're forward back that way, yeah? We'll stop over the shop and buy 2 ice cream, you see it? Buy what you call it?
Fudge.
Fudge. The can.
To me.
One of them, boy.
Yes. So we reach over town center now. Out here so still dark. But we get a little reflection. We get a little reflection from the car them we pass.
Very nice.
You know what I say? A while ago, me I walk and come across the road. I said to Junior, I say, taxi man, I want to lick you down. I said to Junior, I said, Junior, you love that shirt there? You know, first somebody take a picture and I know the brother come make me know say.
I'm son the shirt.
Me too late. And taking picture of that already.
But that time I take picture of that shirt, boy. Yeah.
So I'm not really busy with nobody else. I take picture with him and I got him take film picture first.
Yeah, boy.
Ja, I know.
A Sunday stroll shirt, man. You see? Yard shirt, you know, gonna wear. Just throw on a shirt and just a motion. You see me? Hey, people, you see out on the road out there, so. Me and Kian have a terrible experience out there, you know. Very, very little more than no Kian. Like, seriously. But I'll tell you a story time. Oh, that incident then.
Yeah. So we reach over town center and around Changyong Fong.
Big China. And no, that's not a paid advertisement.
See, my slide kite way. We'll call it, but we'll call it here now, you see it. So, no, we don't walk in the mask.
Oh, well.
Can't remember say we need marks to come in people in business establishments. So yes guys, me there yeah. All a Sunday stroll as we say. I feel like we want the driving, so we just a walk. And here them are going. Them there over what's the name again? Exquisite or something like so.
Us, what name?
Exquisite.
Eye rollers.
Oh. Over eye rollers. Exquisite. You over eye rollers are rollers. Over eye rollers are gamble.
I watch race. OTB.
Racers.
Yeah. Race.
When I machine go draw a money. I don't want a receipt.
One little 2 bills, you know? Things rough, brother.
We're going to the machine to draw money, but I don't want to see receipt. I think they're depressing me to the amount of money I have in your bank account. Yeah, so I make a stroll go back over here. Place is empty next Sunday though. What are you doing, man?
Mad.
Right about that.
Sunday vibes crazy.
So them the black officer? So nobody no pass?
Oh, them patch out the wall.
Oh. Some patchwork, needs some patchwork.
Yeah.
So as a junior, I said I'm traumatized but out on the road. Anytime I walk, I just feel like the same thing happen again. Fear the road.
That was a wicked experience, brother. Yeah, tell you.
Tell you, man. Crazy experience.
I can tell you what happened, but I now go into detail how it happened. Yeah? What happened was we were trying to cross the road to come across this side of the road. We were on the opposite side. We were trying to cross the road, and one little minibus, 6 bus, only was Portmore, no 6 bus, when I run got punished out. Reverse and lick down me and Kay on the ground flat. Pass we, you know. It passed we when the bus passed and the bus hit a reverse for some reason, I don't know why.
I liquid down.
Liquid on the ground, brother.
But as I said, we are going to details in our story time, you see it. So, when we reach in the light again, touch base again. Sometimes we are home and shop, we forgot to carry bag.
Okay. Not more bag, you know. See? No, hold it good, man. Hold it good.
What was good? We are not coming out. Let me sit down.
Let me tell you, look there.
Fudge.
Fudge, boy!
Maybe I must buy a beer. You want some in my pocket them? 1, 2. See that?
Oh yeah, I swear. To the angle in my can hold the camera, yeah? I swear if me I watch this on my bed, me I'll drop off.
I never done. Sure, I never that. Even to hold it, but you all hold it them and hold the camera straight. Come think of the all I'm wanted for sure.
If you have what do you think the
motion
name again?
Sickness.
Oh Lord God. Don't watch this video.
Look good. I want my water. Guys, I feel like Walker Texas Ranger. So I'm going to for my hip. Po. Yeah man. feel like Walker Texas Ranger. Light them in their back at night. Yeah. So that is expected.
The night vlog, was that name?
The street light.
It's just the street nights.
You know the song that goes so. A sweet life.
Oh. Sorry. That's how it goes.
Where's the show?
Oh boy.
Guys, so we reach back in from over town center. Rihanna say she like when me hear say so come have the island girl look so. I'm an island girl. I'm an island girl. I'm just an island girl. I'm an island girl. So yes guys, and I don't know the thing already. Big up on yourself. And remember to like, comment, subscribe and share up the video them. You see it. So I'm open up. Take a Pepsi. I'm ready to go boy, come take off my gun them off of my waist.
This sound
Now tell them man. So guys, just open up our blessed Sunday. Don't know a thing already. So I'm going to big up on yourself and stay safe. But before I go, I have to show you the progress of the bouquet them. And you see it, so I show one of them and go and big up on yourself. You see it?
Don't know.
Is that pretty now? I can't do that something unless I do with him face.
Look at that. Look at that. See? There are just a few of them. Remember, if you maybe just a forward cross a video and have to go back and check back to see where them are forward from. You see me?
Yellow one, I want to show.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, man. You see that now? See that? Look at this. And if you remember where them
The
are forward
process.
from, you remember, check back. I want to see where it are forward from to the finish article. You see how my wife full of talent? Hey!
Oi!
You lay down your bed because when the money come in, we get some.
Come back with that again. So guys, if you don't know anything, go, as me always say, big up on yourself, stay safe, and remember if you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video them. See you next time we are soon. No? We're going to do a story time about the accident.
Yeah. Accident story time.
Yeah.
So check in for that one day, see me?
Alright.
Oh, can't see me. Check in.
Alright, have a blessed Sunday, you guys.